A junior developer's Python script handles 10 users with ease, hiding a structural flaw beneath a clean interface. But the holiday rush is coming, and 10 users are about to become 10,000. When traffic peaks, the hardware doesn't fail, the architecture does. The server dies because invisible logic errors eat the system from within. This is the moment you realize that knowing Python syntax is not the same as knowing computer science. Chapter 4, Simple Sort Algorithms and Data Order, marks the exact threshold where amateur coders fail and true software engineers are born. This is a deep dive preview into a definitive new engineering curriculum. Data Structures and Algorithms in Python for Beginners is designed to bridge the canyon between a working script and a truly scalable enterprise system. In the beginning, your digital warehouse is a landscape of unorganized chaos. Selection sort imposes a rigid mechanical order, forcing the computer to target specific records and lock them into place. This relentless search is a fundamental mechanic, but as it organizes the shelf, it hides a devastating secret. Ask yourself, what happens when that shelf grows from 15 items to 15,000? This is the shadow of O of n squared complexity, a quadratic trap where even simple tasks become system-crashing liabilities that burn through your processing budget. Recognizing the speed limits of these basic sorts is the first step toward high-performance engineering. It is the catalyst that forces you to move beyond fragile scripts and begin architecting locked-down professional systems. Mastering the mechanics of order in Chapter 4 is merely the launchpad for the rest of the curriculum. You will learn to restrict data flow with stacks and queues to ensure predictable execution and bypass search times entirely using advanced hash tables. This path leads to the apex of the book, using multidimensional vector math to uncover the semantic relationships that power modern recommendation engines. The time for passive reading and dry academic theory is over. Every chapter acts as a deployment ticket, requiring you to build and run production-ready code directly in your own terminal. In a competitive landscape, just making it work is a philosophy of the past. Top-tier tech companies demand architects who understand the how and the why. This book builds the muscle memory needed to engineer systems that scale gracefully. Your guide through this transformation is Data Structures and Algorithms in Python for Beginners. Authors Sharanam and Vaishali Shah distilled decades of IT architecture experience into a curriculum that makes complex logic accessible to every builder. Scan the code now to claim your copy and download the master blueprint for your own repository. Explore the complete arsenal of professional titles available at sharanamshah.com. The cursor is blinking. The blank script is waiting. It is time to go out there and build something impossible.